Good morning, day 17, and we are talking about money. Money. And money has its own blockages and meaning and where it comes from. It comes with a karma. And one of the things we can do to clear some of our money blocks and our money issues is actually clean out your purse. Yeah, and the wallet. And you'll be surprised. Same as doing your underwear drawer and the refrigerator and t-shirts and makeup and everything else. This has a huge impact on how you present yourself and how you feel about money and how you can cultivate abundance to come into your life. And so this is pretty exciting. So first of all, we're going to go to the wallet. The wallet has to be organized. When was the last time you went in there and took out your receipts? Organized your credit cards, where's your driver's license and such. I've got a fancy compartment here. I bought this at the travel store, and this actually has several slots so I can have different currencies of money if I want. And as a bonus, my cell phone will fit right in there as well too. Zip it up and I'm good to go. And of course this fits into any type of tote bag or travel item that I have. So that was one of the first things that I wanted to show you here. Again, there's little bits here if you've got some tickets. Ooh, I got some US money in here. Who knew? But what happens is we got the COVID thing here. And what happens is, here's my favorite tote bag. It's just a plain leather bag. It's got a little pouch on the inside, and this would hold easily my visor, my sunglasses, any shopping bags. Just turns into a dumping ground as well. And then what happens is you can't find your wallet in the bottom of that when you want to, but it's still my go-to tote because it fits everything. But what happened with this COVID stuff is I had to pare down a bit. Now I've got a mask to worry about and my sunglasses and whatever else is wrapped around my neck. And I bought one of these little they used to call them cigarette holders, but what they are is for business cards. And I've got in here my credit cards. So since nobody's taking cash anymore, or I'm not buying tickets for things or anything, this little guy here takes my driver's license and several credit cards and several points cards. Points cards are really important in Canada. Loyalty points, amazing. I go to the grocery store, sometimes I get $10 off at the checkout. Last week I got $40 off at the checkout. So loyalty points really do add up, and you got to keep track of them for sure. So what I did this last summer, I went into a very small compact, wrapped around my neck, had enough room for my phone and my currency, driver's license, and I was free. I was free to go without hauling this big tote bag around. But here's what happened. We talked about hanging up your totes and lining up your purses a little bit earlier on, but what we didn't talk about was cleaning them out, trying to clean them out. And so every time you leave receipts or tissue or half-eaten snacks or whatever, and you store them all like that, that's not giving it the clean, fresh karma that these purses need. And so every time you empty your purse at night, you really should be clearing out the purse. I do that about once a week, twice a week, but I only go out now once a week or twice a week. So I'm not filling this up. But what happened was, I'll tell you a story. When my mom died back in 2005, so that's 15 years ago now, and I was going through some of her things and organizing, and I found a $20 bill. And I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. I got $20. And then I went to the next one, and she had this habit of squirreling money away. I don't know what the rainy day was or what this little fear was, or didn't want to tell my dad or what it was, but she was squirreling every little pocket of every little purse or sleeve or whatever had a $50 bill or a $20 bill in there. She just folded it up really neat and she tucked them all in there. And I ended up having to go back through her things, and I found over $600 squirreled away in her totes and purses and wallets and miscellaneous stuff that she would take. And it's like, ding ding, there's a gold mine out here somewhere. But anyway, what's happening is, first of all, look at all your purses and your wallets, okay? And then find what works for you, something that makes you feel good, that can cultivate more wealth and abundance in your life. In fact, what I did about a month ago, I bought myself another purse. I know, this one's really cute. I gotta show it to you. This one's cute because it has, look, the lining in here is all bright flowers, and I can find things, cheers me up. It comes with a little fun piece on the side of it. And any purse that you want, whether it be a small one here, a mid-size, or a tote, you can add a little charm onto the this handle here that brings you cheer and joy and makes you smile in your day. So let's get the purses cleaned out. Let's get that new karma coming in for wealth and abundance. And we still have another week to go on our 27 days to make that shift. Have a great day.